What if you want to import a OneDrive file using Power Query? Well, it's not that straightforward. But here's the 7 steps to accomplish this. In OneDrive Online, you come over to the file that you want to import, right-click Open. And we would think it would be open in browser or copy the link over here. But we have to open it in the app, then go to File, down to Info, and there's Copy Path. Now, when we copy this, if I paste it over here, here's the crazy part. You have to remove that little bit right there. Now, I'm going to leave that there. And then there's the file path. So I'm going to copy this. And then we go Data, Get and Transform from Web. I'm going to paste this, Control V, click OK. I'm going to log in using my organizational account. You can set it to whatever level you'd like. I'll keep it right at the top. Click Sign In, and then sign into your account. And there you go. Now we can connect. I happen to be using a CSV file, so it asks for the delimiter. I'm going to click Transform Data, perform whatever steps you want, and the rest is just normal Power Query. Put this on the existing sheet. Click OK. If we want to import files from inside a OneDrive folder using Power Query, we're going to use Get Data from File, and then not from Folder, but from SharePoint folder. We'll start in OneDrive. Here's the folder I want, and I want to get the CSV files from within this folder. Now we come up to the address bar, and I want everything before underscore layouts. So I'm going to copy Data, Get Data from File, from SharePoint folder. Control V, click OK. We want to use our Microsoft account. You go ahead and sign into your account. I'm going to click Connect. In the folder path dialog box, click Transform Data. Now it's finding everything over there in OneDrive. So we're going to scroll over, and the folder path is going to help us. We can filter down to just that particular folder path. And this is for Project 1. And we can see there's 2 items here. And there it is. The second one is the one I want. So I'll uncheck that. And now we'll filter down to this folder path. And then all the files will appear in the Power Query editor. Click OK. And we scroll over. The rest is all normal Power Query. Now I want to come over to Extensions and right-click, Transform, Lowercase. And then I want to include only CSV files. Click OK. The content column has CSV files with tables with the same structure and naming, so we can use this Combine button. But before we do that, we right-click, Remove Other Columns. And when we click Combine, it wants to know what the delimiter is. Comma is the delimiter. Click OK. And when we click OK, it's going to build a bunch of steps, a bunch of new queries and steps to get all of those tables into one single table. I'll name this query Close and Load 2, Existing. Right there. Click OK. Now, if we add any new files to that folder, or we update, in our first example, this file, we can right-click the query output or right-click any of the queries in the task pane, and then click Refresh. And of course, the beauty of OneDrive is we can share these files and folders. Using the options here, I can point to Share. And this opens up Send Link. You enter the email addresses from people in your organization who can have access to this file. It's the same for folder. Here at the top, Share. All right, 7 crazy steps to import a file from OneDrive, and 5 steps to get files from a folder at OneDrive.